Welcome to RK Tutorials, Solutions to Engineering Mechanics by Timoshenko, 5th edition. In this tutorial, we will discuss problem set to 2.6 and problem number 2.88. Find the magnitude of the pull P exerted on the nail C in figure if a horizontal force of 178 newtons is applied to the handle of the wrecking bar as shown in the figure. So this is one of the application most widely used in our regular practice also to remove the nail from the wall or from any of the fixed support. Now in this 180 newtons force is acting at one end of the bar and a nail is in the inclined plane which makes an angle 20 degrees with the vertical. Our interest is to find how much force will develop along this nail if 180 newtons force is acting here. For that, let us consider the free body diagram and let us see what are the various forces acting on this raking bar. 180 newtons force, clearly we can see here the force is acting here. And we know that the force developed inside the nail is along this axis. Along this axis, that is P. Let the force is P. And the force P makes an angle 20 degrees to the vertical. Hence, you can resolve that force into two components. That is P cos 20 is the vertical direction and P sin 20 is the horizontal direction. Now, I can take the moments about the point B, which is directly in contact with the flow. Now, P sin 20 is passing through the point will not introduce any moment. So P cos 20 will introduce a moment in this direction, that is counterclockwise direction, and 180 newtons will create a moment in the clockwise direction. To find these moments, I required the distances also. So P cos 20 is at a distance of 40 from the B, clearly we can see, and 180 newtons is at a distance of 300.8 mm from this point, clearly we can see. Hence, I can take the moment sigma B is equal to 0, that is P cos 20 into the perpendicular distance 40 is in one side of the moment, and 180 into the perpendicular distance 300.8 is the other side of the moment. So upon simplification, you will get 37.59 P is equal to 54,144, or we can say P is equal to 1440.38 newtons is the answer for the given problem.